Today, I'll show you how to manually add one contact to Honeybook. Whether you're managing a growing list of clients or starting new projects, adding contacts manually can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and make sure you get this right the first time. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Honeybook dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the side navigation menu. This menu is your gateway to all the different sections of Honeybook. And for adding a contact, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the Contacts page where you can manage all your client interactions and details. Now that you're on the Contacts page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the plus Add Contact button. This button is your tool for bringing new clients into the fold. Click on it and you'll be prompted with a form to fill out. This is where you'll enter the essential details for your new contact. Start by entering their full name. The full name is crucial because it helps you identify and personalize your communications with this contact. Next, move on to the email address. The email address serves as a vital piece of information as it automatically generates their unique client portal. This portal is a personalized space where your client can interact with the projects you're working on together, review documents, and even make payments. Ensuring the email is correct is key to facilitating smooth communication and project management. Once you've filled in these fields, take a moment to double check the information for accuracy. A small typo can lead to miscommunication or a failed attempt at collaboration, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds. After verifying everything looks good, you'll want to save this new contact. While the instructions might seem straightforward, adding a contact is the foundation for building a robust client relationship in Honeybook. This simple process helps you keep your client list organized and ready for any upcoming projects. As you continue to use Honeybook, you'll find managing your contacts will become second nature, and you'll appreciate the streamlined communication it offers. And there you have it. You've successfully added a contact to Honeybook, setting the stage for efficient project management and client interaction. Remember, keeping your contact list up to date is essential for maintaining strong business relationships. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more tutorials for other tips on mastering Honeybook.